Castle Kerry, the tragic scene on the main line between Edinburgh and Glasgow as the snow flakes down upon twisted wreckage. Compartments smashed like matchwood, coaches pancaked above one another, engines dug into the embankment beside the track. To reconstruct the melancholy story, a train from Dundee was halted just beyond Castle Kerry station when the express from Edinburgh crashed into it at high speed. Both trains were crowded with passengers. The dead in this terrible accident, number 35, the injured, nearly 100. Such mournful occurrences are fortunately rare on British railways, as is evidenced by the fact that this is the worst tragedy since the Gretna Green disaster of 1915. But that doesn't lessen the suffering of those bereaved in this ordeal. To them, our sympathy goes out. While the wreckage is cleared away, survivors reach their homes with grim stories.
Yes, I was in the second coach. After the impact, the train wobbled from side to side, and then our coach was lifted bodily onto the one in front, which was already on top of the engine. By that time, the compartment was in smithereens. Next thing I realised, I was alone among the debris.
That was Mr. James Chalmers of Glasgow, then Private Nisbet of the Cameronians.
This is the warmest Christmas I have experienced. Nevertheless, I have been very fortunate, as one of my friends was killed in the disaster.